Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm finally here with my first Series 3 Rainbow High doll review, which I'm so excited about. Ever since I saw the very first leaked images of Series 3, the peach colored doll has been my favorite, so today I'm gonna start off with my Series 3 reviews with that very doll. I ordered her online, and when she arrived I did notice that she had some loose threads on the cardigan, and her belt loop on the pants were defects. So I did go to a physical store to buy another one. However, for her, I noticed that the eye makeup wasn't perfectly painted on. And for the upper lips, the left side was slightly thicker than the right side. However, this outfit was perfect. But at the end of the day, for me, I do prefer having a perfect face over a perfect outfit. So I decided to keep this one because that face was really good, even though her outfit had several flaws. For the box, it's the same style that we've seen many times before, where it says collect the rainbow at the top. It's Series 3 Georgia Bloom, and you can see the full doll in box, as well as her second outfit and shoes. This doll, I think, is my first regular edition doll that comes with a purse, which I think is a pretty cute accessory. Another new addition on these boxes is that it tells you their school focus on the side of the box, which for Georgia Bloom is a performance focus. It also now lists what this doll comes with, which is one doll, cardigan, tube top, pair of jeans, pair of ankle socks, top, undershirt, skirt, 2 pairs of shoes, purse, 5 hairpins, 1 comb, 2 hangers, and a doll stand. On the back, we see the Series 3 artwork with all the new girls, including Georgia. At the bottom, it still welcomes you to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama. And here on the bottom of the box, it also has those same Series 3 characters. What I really appreciate, and what I've discussed in many of my previous Rainbow High videos, is that for this box, the colors on the box actually match the characters pretty well, except for Gabriella and Daphne, which are supposed to be light blue and mint green. So now, let's just get this doll unboxed. As always, for this I cut away the tape on the top and sides of the box, so I can open up that back panel. This reveals a little clear back with the peach colored doll stand and clothing hangers, and it allows you to take off that extra box that holds the second outfit and shoes. In that other compartment, you'll find the actual doll that I carefully cut away from the plastic backing. This backing also holds that peach colored plastic comb that I actually really like to use on my doll's hair. Right out of the box, I already really love this doll, just the way she comes. As you can see, her hair is this very light orangey tone, with some chunky blonde highlights at the part, as well as some finer highlights in the hairline. And then the inside of the hair is all of that light peachy color. Because of how the doll was packaged, her hair is heavily split down the back, which gives you a closer look at the rooting of the doll, which is very well done. To fix the back, you could simply wash it or brush the hair to style it the way you want it to. One very helpful thing with this is that there is actually no product in the hair, which I really appreciate because the curls are already so soft right out of the box. The hair is originally styled with these little hairpins in silver and gold that are very easy to take off and say things like love, rainbow and sparkle, and has one shaped like a safety pin. I actually also noticed that there's a darker peach lowlight in the bar line, which gives this hair a very nice color blend. Her face is very pretty with this neutral pink eye makeup, a silver sparkle on the eyelid, and she's got very nice and sharp eyebrows in dark brown. Her lips are in this pearly color, and they're lined with a darker shade. For her eyes, she has a very nice brown eye, and of course the real lashes that we've seen on all the Rainbow High dolls. For her outfit, Georgia is wearing this knitted cardigan that also has some sparkle in it, as well as some faux golden buttons, which looks super cute. The cardigan does come off, but it is held in place with some tags that you can very carefully cut away. Underneath that is her little crop top with spaghetti straps that has this peach detail embroidered on it, which I think is a really cute detail since most toy stores sell her as the peach doll. And then we finally have another pair of jeans on Rainbow High dolls, which I'm always very excited about. These are again in that light orange peachy color and have actual working pockets. As you can see, I already removed that broken belt loop, which was pretty easy to do. The jeans also have a little fake button and say RH on them in white. On the bottom they have this rolled up cuff, which makes them slightly shorter. On the back it says even more RH, as well as on the back pocket, that is functional as well. Then she has these white and pink socks that have RH written on them. And as if this doll could not get any better, she's wearing sneakers. They are also painted very nicely with a white base color, pink and peach color blocks, and golden details. And what I really love as well is that the soles are transparent, giving them a very interesting look. For her second outfit, Georgia comes with this double layered top with this white and peach color top with golden details and rainbow written all over it. And underneath that, there's this bandeau top with pearl details around the top, and this is more of that pink shade. To go with these tops, Georgia comes with this pencil skirt in that same white and peach pattern from the outer top. And to tie in that bandeau top, it also has a little strip of fishnet material with pearls attached to it, which I think makes a really cute outfit for her. Those little white flowers are sewn to the skirt, which ties in perfectly with this little purse that also has that same white and peach pattern. Then Georgia comes with another pair of sneakers that has that same written pattern on it, matching with that second outfit perfectly. They are also in that same clear plastic and have small golden painted details. I actually think it is quite interesting that this doll came with jeans and 2 pairs of flat shoes, which is probably one of the reasons that this doll is one of my favorite rainbow high dolls to ever come out. On top of that, I really love the look of those neutral colors she's got going on, giving her a very calm and natural look to me. I do think this second outfit could also look really cute with a pair of heels, like the ones that came with Bella, since they also have that pearl detail on them and are in a soft pink color. Another thing I was very interested about is that this doll does have her ears pierced, but does not come with any earrings herself. While undressing her for the hair restyle, I felt like that was a great time to show you the articulation on this doll. Georgia has that full neck articulation that I absolutely love, where she can tilt the head left and right, as well as up and down, and she can simply rotate her head from side to side. Then, like all the other regular rainbow high dolls, she's got movement in the shoulder, elbow, and her wrist can move all the way around. And she's got articulation in the waist, rotation in her upper leg, and a very good knee joint. Then, as you can see, even though she comes with her flat shoes, she does have that pointed feet to make sure she can also wear the other girl's heels. Before washing Georgia's hair, I changed her in an outfit I don't mind getting wet, and started brushing out her hair first, which is possible since there is no gel in the hair. In this step, I am starting from the bottom and working my way up. As you can see, this resulted in a very poofy hairdo, but the back is already nice and covered. Then I simply wet the hair with cold water and brushed her hair through one more time, which very nicely redefines the curls that this doll originally has in her hair. If you wanted to straighten her hair out more, you could use warm or hot water, which will loosen up her original texture. After washing the hair the way I did, there are several things you can do. You can either smooth it down with your comb and let it air dry, which will give you more of that straight, sleek look, or you can scrunch the hair with your hands, which will enhance that natural wave in the hair. You could also try to perfect the curls even more by twisting all the curls around your finger one by one, but I am going ahead and using my straws to make the curls a bit tighter. Before I did that though, I wanted to fix her part, because her right side was mostly the blonde highlights, whereas the left side had a lot of that peach colored hair. I did check her rooting pattern, which was even on both sides, so I wanted to completely rethatch her part to make all the shades show up evenly. I am currently working on a video all about thatching your doll's hair, so subscribe to my channel to see that video very soon. So for Georgia, I simply did the process off camera to transform her part from this to this. As you can see, this also made the highlights a lot more blended and subtle, which I really liked. After that, I wrapped the hair around those straws and I let it set overnight. I was trying out a new curling technique on her that I'm still trying to perfect, so if these curls do not look as flawless as you're used to, that's the reason why. I will definitely be trying a lot more different curling techniques and hairstyles on this doll, so make sure to follow me on Instagram too to see all the fun hairstyles I come up with for Georgia. Right out of the straws, I honestly like this look quite a lot already, but these curls were a little too stiff for me. So after breaking up all these curls into two, this is the look I got. I really love how bouncy and full this looks, and you could fluff it out even more for more volume. For me though, this really was the look I was going for, and I'm really loving this hair on her. I also really enjoy how well you can mix and match the several outfit pieces that she comes with. I also have this Disney tree ornament that I got in Disneyland Paris, which is a great fit for rainbow high dolls. And this one matches her color scheme so well, which made me very excited to bring her along to my most recent Disney trip. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, let me know in the comments which Series 3 Rainbow High doll I should review next, because I am definitely planning on getting more. And then to see more of my doll photography and sneak peeks of my upcoming projects, make sure to follow me on Instagram too, @thedollboy. See you next time!